Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, then tap on profile icon. Click on three line option. Okay. After that, click on Account Center. Scroll down, tap on Personal Details. Okay. Tap on Account Ownership. Then click on this second option. Tap on Instagram Profile. Then deactivate your account. Then continue and deactivate temporarily your account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.